Bellbunya is the name that's given to this land and this community. It's a group of people that have recognised these growing systems of holistic thinking when it comes to food production, and have recognised that the system of food production is not separate from the system of economics or the system of how we live. Using those principles of agroforestry, using the principles of food forestry from permaculture, using the principles of syntropics, how we're trying to put a diversity of species into a garden. So the garden is producing its own carbon, its own nitrogen, and it's harvesting its own water in a way that it's protected. The university has got to a count of 110 bird species on this property. There's platypus in our dam on this property. There's so much interest and value that just participating in it gives us satisfaction. If we want to continue to be a part of this ecosystem, we've got to start becoming stewards of it. We've got to start appreciating the nest. We've got to appreciate what's provided to us by the system and live in a way that at least sustains what we got left and ideally regenerates it. Regenerates it in terms of delivering our needs. As a community, we offer accommodation. We also host events. So as an event centre, you can book our facilities to utilise our hall, our commercial kitchen, our dining room, or various outdoor spaces to offer your service within nature. You can bring in your own chef, or we can provide cooking for you with food straight from the organic gardens. If you recognise that you're part of a system and you can't leave it, the only thing left to do is how do we rock and roll? Like how do we contribute to a great system and have fun doing it?